Hello, my name is Malcolm Prescott, Managing Director of Weber's Property Services, and I'm here today at Buckleigh Meadows, an exceptional new scheme of 2, 3 and 4 bedroom homes built just 5 minutes from the coast at Westward Ho and still close to the open countryside and all the facilities. Let's go and have a look inside these wonderful Chichester development properties, built as always to the highest standards and finished beautifully throughout. As always, the design team at Chichester Development have looked closely at the living space and the design of their new homes here at Buckleigh Meadows. And here you can see what a wonderful living space this is. Open plan dining, super fitted kitchen and doors leading into the lounge, as well as beautiful double opening doors into the gardens at the back. Many people choose to buy new homes because they buy a new home, which means they get the quality, the brand new fixtures and fittings. And throughout Chichester Developments, that's what you will find, high quality fixtures and fittings. In the kitchen, AEG, induction units, double oven grill, fitted fridge and freezer, all integral and finished to the highest standards. We all, of course, love a good-sized bedroom, and here again at Chichester what you'll find are well-proportioned bedrooms throughout the range of properties. And the quality continues through into the bathrooms and the ensuite facilities. So, whether you're a first-time buyer looking to come to your first home, whether you're a family looking for space to grow, or a semi-retired couple looking for a really lovely base close to both facilities, the coast and the country, Buckleigh Meadows I think will be a great choice. So please, if you'd like to see inside our show suite, contact our Bideford office or our new homes department in Barnstaple, or come along to the show home. We're open throughout the week and the weekends, so please come and see us.